final preparations for the historical demolition of the Zarzamore Street Bakery. Chuck, what's this mean to you?
This means the new opportunity for Christ to move powerfully in this neighborhood.
Awesome. That's Mr. Chuck Bain, Camino Real.
This means that Syntex Homes can build on this ground because it ain't gonna fall.
One.
That's what that means.
Miss Sandra,
Ring.
you can run but you can't hide.
Syntex.
Leslie, Kelsey Grubbs, Urban Connection Executive Director. What's this mean to you?
This means deliverance. This means freedom. This means something new. This means the beginning of change. It means so
Taking
many
back
things.
the neighborhood.
Yes.
Wow. They're talking about this property.
That means Syntex can build there.
I know. That amazes me. It's like for the land of all, they had to know. They had to know that land
I
was
feel
right.
bad for those people.
They say, oh, we didn't know. Oh, we got
Oh,
permits.
they-
They knew that
they
land
knew.
was right. They knew. They knew.
What does this mean to you?
This means the Lord my God, He reigns.
Amen. Miss Elizabeth, what does this day mean to you?
Celebration! Tear the thing down. It's gonna be
Miss Elizabeth,
this future
what's this mean?
little thrift store.
It means a lot about time. Get down.
What does this mean to you?
Good morning. This means that there will be change, there will be revitalization in the neighborhood. This is the beginning of something new, start of something wonderful.